My name is Benjamin Benson.
This is Jesse Rowe.
I'm Michael Kolarik.
I'm Ben Comet, and here's a quick introduction to TextBook Trader. Since 1977, textbook prices have risen at 3 times the rate of inflation. According to our research, students are desperately looking for a more reasonably priced alternative to purchase and sell their textbooks. With our TextBook Trader application, we aim to provide an efficient, user-friendly, and responsive web interface that students can use to sell and purchase textbooks from one another on whichever device they prefer to use. Jesse Rowe will now give you a quick run-through of the user interface we have developed for TextBook Trader.
The first screen that a user is presented with when visiting the TextBook Trader website is the login screen. Here, the user is able to log into an existing account, or if this is their first time visiting the site, they can click on a link to visit the sign up page, where they can create a new account. Upon logging into the application, the users are presented with the home page, where they can view the 2 major features of the site, searching for and posting textbooks. If the user selects the cog icon in the top right corner, the application will display their user's setting page. On this page, the user can view all the books they have posted on their account, view messages from other users, and modify various account information, such as changing their email, updating their password, and even deleting their account. On the home page, a user is presented with 2 main options. The first is searching for a specific textbook. When the user selects the search button, they are presented with the search page. From this page, the user can enter a query and start a search. When a search is started, the application will query its database using the user's input and return a list of books that match the search string. This search results page allows the user to select a specific book from a list of results and display the book's details page. Here, the user is able to view all relevant data that was provided by the owner of the book, view images, and contact the seller to gather more information or arrange a time and place to complete the sale. The second main feature of TextBook Trader is posting a textbook. When the user selects this option from the main page, they are presented with the Post a Book form page. On this page, the user can provide the application with all relevant data and images for the book they would like to post. Once the user has entered all of their data, they can select the Post button to add the book to their account and make it searchable within the TextBook Trader database. Now here is Ben Benson, who is going to discuss the data that was collected during an evaluation session of our TextBook Trader application.
We also collected time data for user tasks which were posting a textbook and searching for a given textbook. To evaluate the data, we simply applied the SUS scoring system to our raw data surveys, giving an overall SUS score for each participant in our testing. Each individual score was then averaged, giving us a general idea of the SUS score for our TextBook Trader application. We also calculated the average time it took a user to search and post a book. Our SUS survey results were visualized using graphs generated in Excel. A column graph was used for the results of each participant in our survey. Our target results and average SUS score for the session were included to provide a benchmark. The average SUS score was not as high as we had hoped. The target goal we had set was a score of 90. While the evaluation session yielded an average SUS score of 73.75, we still feel that user satisfaction was quite high. Throughout the evaluation, we didn't have any major issues, and we feel that the average score was sufficient. Most user complaints were minor and easily resolved by the development team. The vast majority of SUS question results were positive or very positive. Because of this, we feel the UX goal of higher user satisfaction was accomplished, even though the average score was lower than our target goal. The results of the 2 benchmark tasks that participants completed exceeded our target values by a significant margin. On average, users were able to complete the process of posting a textbook in 33 seconds, which was very close to our target of 30 seconds. We stripped down the posting process to just 1 page, which likely explains why our users were able to come so close to hitting our target. Participants were able to search for a textbook in 6 seconds, surpassing our target time of 15 seconds. We were pleasantly surprised with the ease participants were able to navigate our prototype without any prior knowledge of how the search function would work. We believe we were able to achieve this by keeping our design consistent with how search functions are generally presented across the internet.
During the evaluation session, multiple users pointed out that our posting form was lacking a field to input a selling price. To resolve this issue, we modified the form to include the missing field. We observed that when prompted to modify their profile picture, multiple users attempted to select the existing image. One user also noticed a lack of consistency in that while both the email and username displayed below the profile picture had edit icons that linked to the settings page, the profile picture was missing this icon. To fix this lack of consistency and improve the usability of the profile page, our development team added an edit icon to the profile picture and added functionality that allows users to click on the image to view their account settings page. While observing the various users' interactions with their settings page and posting a book to their account, our team noticed that the use of feedback dialog boxes could improve the usability of the site and increase feedback by informing the user their task had been completed successfully. In response to this, our design team added confirmation dialog boxes upon successful posting of a book and updating of certain profile settings. During evaluation sessions of the prototype, our team noticed that when a user deleted their account, no dialog box was displayed, prompting the user to confirm their action. This lack of constraints could prove troublesome if a user accidentally clicks the delete button. Our team implemented a confirmation dialog box to resolve this issue. When asked to view their account settings, multiple users were slightly confused and required multiple clicks on their profile page to discover the Settings tab. To resolve this visibility issue, our team modified the text of the Settings tab to more accurately inform the user of its purpose. The text was changed from "My account" to "Settings." An issue was discovered by several users regarding the drop-down menu used to select the condition of a book when filling out the post form. Selecting options within the drop-down required clicking to the right or left of the text, not directly on it as most users attempted. This design bug was resolved, allowing users to click directly on this text. No visual changes were made, as the update was functional, not visual. Our team noticed that a user attempted to select the account settings icon while on the account creation page. The icon had no functionality while on this page, as the user was not yet logged in. To resolve this issue, our team removed all unusable text and icons from the account creation page header. On certain pop-up messages, the send and cancel options were not consistent with the layout of the rest of the application. Our team revisited each pop-up message and ensured that the layout of the button was consistent across the entire application.
Overall, our team has been very happy with the way our project has progressed. Seeing the project go from just a few words on a sheet of paper with a few crudely sketched out logos to the relatively polished project we have today has been an extremely satisfying experience. While we would have hoped for slightly higher SUS scores from our evaluation surveys, we believe that our application still performed very well, and that the changes made in response to our evaluation feedback has further improved the user experience provided by TextBook Trader. Throughout this project, we have gathered experience using several different prototyping tools, and the process of developing the 5 different revisions has improved all of our leadership and teamwork skills. We hope you enjoyed our presentation as much as we enjoyed making it, or at least as much as we can enjoy it now that it's all over.